Finally. Man, I have waited a while to open this. Suspense has been killing me. Alright, it looks good. We're recording. Good, let's start. What the? Why is it pitch dark in here? Like, it shouldn't be. It is almost 4:10 in the afternoon. So what's the deal? What the fuck? What? Where's my box? Why is my door open? Oh, no. Not again. I gotta go find him. Jigsaw! Where's my box at? Rosie, hey. You seen Jigsaw? You know, kind of looks like this. Very creepy guy. Has a weird laugh. No? You haven't seen him? Okay. Let's go searching somewhere else. Jigsaw! Come on, man. Give it up. Come on. Where you at? Jigsaw! Wait. I hear him. Sounds like it's coming from the garage. No, stay inside, Rosie. Stay inside. Whoa! What are you doing? No, come on. What the hell are you doing? No! No, you cannot open the box with a fucking edge trimmer. No! You can't use a hatchet either. One, that figure costs like $300. Two, I would never trust you with opening any of my packages. Three, even if I were to trust you, I would especially not let you use a hatchet or a hedge trimmer. Come on, give me my box back. Come on. Like, seriously, what is wrong with you? What is it that you stealing my packages unboxing? Come on. Give me my box back. And the next time... Huh. Weird. I'm watching you, okay? Jeez. Sup, guys? I'm back, and today is another box day. So, hold on, let me straighten my camera out just a little bit. I don't know if it made it better or worse. I'll probably see after. I could probably just edit that part out, or maybe not. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get this figure open. Wrap. Whoa. Holy. This is giant box. It's the bubble wrap figure, guys. No. But yeah, I'll just go over this. Yes, this figure, as I said, talking to Jigsaw, that this figure was $300, and here's why. Because it was originally like $250, and then I get a message from the website that I ordered it from, and they said, hey, your box is a little bit bigger than we anticipated. I guess it's definitely a pretty big box. So they gave me options on shipping. One, I can pay an extra $54 for FedEx shipping. Two, I could pay an extra $50 for EMS shipping. Or three, I could have, no extra charge for shipping, and it would be shipped by boat, and that would take 1 to 4 months. I'm like, you know what? Just put me down for FedEx. You know, it's only $4 more than EMS, so that's what I did. Yeah, this is a giant box, and that right there is kind of a dead giveaway of what this figure is. So yeah, this is a big shipping box. Jeez. Cut this open. You guys can barely even see me behind this. Alrighty. I'm gonna be careful with this figure because I hear, you know, this figure is kind of fragile. Wow, this is a big ass box. And there it is, right there. Come on. Now, how am I gonna get this? Okay, there we go. Come on, get out of there. Boom. The SH Monsterarts Mecha-King Ghidorah Shinjuku Decisive Battle set. Yeah, so, man, and also I'm really excited for this because the only other Mecha-King Ghidorah I have is, I can get them out, is the 1991 Bandai vinyl. So we'll put them off to the side for comparison in a little bit. So now let's get this figure up. I don't know why I put my knife away just a little bit ago. I needed it. And as soon as I put it away, I was like, you know what? I'm going to need it. So, yeah. So, cut right there. And I can already tell this is a big, big figure. All right, let's flip it up like this. All right, come on. Actually, it wasn't as big as I expected it to be. Okay, never mind. He actually is pretty big. Alrighty, here he is. And this is starting to come off. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the what? Oh yeah, these are the extra wings and the grapple things that grapple and shock Godzilla. So put those off to the side for now. But we gotta get MKG out of here first. All right, how do we? Come on, get out. There we go. Oh, and I already see this is, oh, I need to be careful with that. I need to see if I can reach that ball joint right now. Oh boy, I'm just gonna take him out now. Get those out, and as you can see, there's a ball joint right there, and it's kind of separate from the figure. So I need to be careful. So you do not want to snap this wire that's connecting the head to the body. Bingo. There we go. He's missing something. What? He's missing his ends on the tail. Where'd those go? Are those in here? Oh yeah, no, those are in there. Okay, so here we are. This is definitely a big monster. It's not as big as Biollante, but it's still big, and and the joints are really, really tight. So let's set him down for now. And I'm liking this guy a lot already right now. Now let's get the battle damage parts out here. And you know, the grapple set, you know, the grapples and the tail prongs. Yeah, come on. There we go. Finally. Let's get his tail, tips of the tails out. Attach those. That it? Didn't really snap in. Yeah, it's spiky around there. Yeah, there is the figure itself right there. And here's the, wow, this is pretty big, kind of. Here's the grapple. Oh yeah, these, good. I thought these these were really stiff. I was like, oh wait, are these not articulated? But yep, here's the main chest grapple, and here are the oh yeah, the 4. I thought there was 2. Never mind, there's 4 actually. 2 for his for Godzilla's legs, and then 2 for his arms. So yeah, and the biggest difference between this one, accessories-wise, between this one and the original is the battle damage wings. And I don't know if I'll be putting these on the figure. I mean, because I like him normal. I like him like this better. But yeah, this is already way better than the Bandai vinyl. Yeah, even though the Bandai vinyl is bigger, this is just way better. Wow, he is beautiful. I want to be very careful. I do not want to break this figure. Man, and this is beautiful. Woo! He's not want to look down as much, but at least the center head. I won't know if it's okay. We can just move the chest again, I guess. So yep, that is it for. Oh yeah. Also, by the way, here's the stands right here for the grapples. I forgot it required stands to hold them up. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, OhMyGodzilla1. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and shut up and subscribe. My dog is bothering me right now. Try this again. Why is it pitch dark? My dog, guys, she keeps interrupting. Whenever I do the yelling part, she's interrupting. What, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's in April, and, you know, there's still light out. Like, there's no reason it should be. Man, I already have great bloopers. What are you doing? I know you want kisses. There. Can I film my video, please? What? No. This is like what, the 5th, 6th time she's interrupted me. I know, I love you too. But come on, I gotta film. I gotta film, okay? I gotta film.